to another video. Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on George here with me, Kaishma. Today we are going to discuss, talk and let you know about Galaxy A6s. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Samsung Galaxy A6s. Talking about this variant, this was a variant released out back then in 2018. 2018 का ये मॉडल है और अगर इस मॉडल की बात करें, अगर हम बात करें इस मॉडल की तो कह सकते हैं that this model was way far better than the other Galaxy series and अगर हम A6 से कंपेयर करें, हम बात करें इसकी और इसके बाकी मॉडल्स की, काफी ज्यादा अच्छा वेरिएंट ही रहा है. When talking about this variant, we can say that this variant Samsung Galaxy A6s was a hybrid dual SIM phone with a okay weight. Yes, मतलब इसका okay weight था. We will not say that this was a very heavy weighted phone out there or a very light weighted phone. We can say it was an okay variant out there. Having a weight more than 180 and less than 190 is considered to be an okay version at this point. Whereas when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out here, we can say that this version, this variant out here offers you a display type of TFT cabinet touchscreen, which is a slight drawback. You can see here it's a slight drawback because having a screen size or having a display of 6 inches and still offering TFT and advancement of technology is not seen in this touch screen. So we can say this is a slight drawback, but not a major drawback because having a variant with TFT and an upgraded TFT is still considered to be a good version. Yes, it can be considered as a good version out here. Now, when we say that Samsung Galaxy A6s is a good variant, why we say so? We say so because it has got Android 8. Yes, it works on Oreo 8 processing system. So you can say Android 8 works very well with this processor. As well as it has got Qualcomm processing system. Yes, Qualcomm processing system is seen like Snapdragon 660 processor. Yes, Snapdragon 660 processor can be considered as a plus point out here. We can say that's a plus point. अगर हम बात करें इस वेरिएंट की, अगर हम बात करें इस वर्जन की, तो कह सकते हैं it has got a card slottation dedicated नहीं है. Since hybrid or dual SIM है, तो you can use that SIM slottation for dual SIM phone or one for the SIM card and another for the expandability. Expandability is not needed much. Why we say so? Expandability is not needed much. Reason being expandability इसलिए नहीं चाहिए ज़्यादा क्योंकि अगर हम बात करें इस वेरिएंट की, if we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you 64 GB internal storage capacity as well as 128 GB storage capacity. So there are two different variants, 64 GB and 128 GB out here. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, Samsung Galaxy A6s, we talk about it has got 6 GB RAM. The RAM has crossed all the limits. 6 GB RAM is worth it. Talking about this variant, we can say it's a dual camera phone out here, offering you 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera. So two different camera, which is really with good exposure out here. Addition to that, you get to see a dual LED flashlight. The LED flashlight is normal, but dual LED flashlight gives a great we can say exposure to the camera out there and proper lighting out there, everything would be seen out. Now when we talk about this variant, we can say that the selfie camera out here is a good variant because offering you 12 megapixel selfie camera is a good functionality. But we can say that battery life played a very major role in every kind of a variant, and when we say so, this variant offers you a okay battery life, not a very good battery life. It is about more than 3000, like approximately 3300 mAh battery. But having a good battery life means that it needs to have a very good talk time, very good expandability out there. So talk time is considered to be an okay out here. 3300 के हिसाब से, and if we talk about other specifications, उनके हिसाब से काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा इसमें बैटरी लाइफ देखने को मिल रहा है. Whereas when we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got 3.5 jack, loudspeaker, Wi-Fi connectivity, sensitivity is out here. All other specifications could be seen. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say this is available on various sites, n number of sites of n number of prices. investing price is something everyone needs now, and one such website is available with us, and the website name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the website I'm talking about. The website name is PhoneZone.ae. Now, when we talk about this website, when we talk about this variant out here, you get to see that this website offers you n number of gadgets in these categories. These are the reputed brands listed under the category of all mobile phones out here. As well as if you search on the Google, you will get to see this is this name of the website, PhoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the name of the website. As well as you get to see that this website offers you not just models out there, but 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, COD and free shipping also. This offers you great, we can say, functionality. We can say there are a lot of things which are offered out on this website. Now, when we talk about this website, we can say that this website offers great prices. So let us search about the gadget 2. So we have this search icon and we have this. So let us search about the results. And the results have been displayed out here. So let us see what it has. This is the description box out here. You get to see a number of specifications around here, a number of features are written out about the gadget. And when we see, it has got all these specifications which we were discussing right now. But it is having a condition written over it. The condition is written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition so that you do not miss out anything out there. So let us now first talk about this and see whether it's good to invest in such products or not. So let us talk about the refurbished product. Talking about refurbished product, we can say refurbished products are the products which are brand new like. Yes, you can say that these products are brand new like. And when we talk about these products, we can say that these products offer you the same structurality which we have in the brand new. Like if we talk how the brand new products are into the market, like company, the main base out there, then we have the marketplace, and then we have the users. The same thing goes out here, but the difference lies out is the user out at the end. The brand new का जो last part था user, वो हमारा base बन जाता. That is the base now. Now that base that user has pre-owned the phone is now reselling it to the marketplace, and then it is checked, verified, and made absolutely newly like how it was before being used. Then it is again resold to a user. So this is how they are connected. So we can say extension of brand new is refurbished, and the term itself describes creating something new like. Again, creating new like, we can say all these things for refurbished. Now when we talk about refurbished, we can say that refurbished product and brand new products are quite similar for the their testimonialities, their we can say about everything out there, their parameters, their testing, their specifications, features, storage capacity, connectivity, everything is same. Now when we talk about these specifications, now when we talk about the parameters, there are involved n number of parameters like the external and internal parameters. These are the major classifications. Majorly external or internal parameters. External की बात करें, if we talk about external parameters, we can say external parameters include the display, their buttons, the intactness around their camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, as well as it involves everything which can be seen externally, like battery कैसी है, charging कैसा हो रहा है, whether the display has a scratch or not, is the camera is placed absolutely on the correct position or not, whether it has glass front or not, if it is mentioned out there. जो भी specifications company ने mention किए होते हैं external इसके, वही यहाँ check किए जाते हैं. After that, it comes to the internal factors which are like the operating system, chip system, its processor, its every internal factor like SIM recognition, connectivity, sensitivities out there, colorization, data connectivity, data wiping, data recovery, everything, all the other specifications. चाहे उसके sensitivities हो, sensors हो, कुछ भी हो, सब इसमें check किया जाता है. After that, when it is checked out, we see that this is given a certificate which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished certificate. Yes, these are the two certificates we can give. Refurbished certificate or certified refurbished is absolutely same thing out there. Now, when we talk about this way, when we talk about refurbished products, we can say they offer you some kind of advantages. Like number one is nothing else but savings. Yes, you get to have savings. And how do you save? First of all, how do you save? Brand new products are actually very highly expensive. They are quite expensive out here. Whereas the refurbished products are in pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have refurbished products in your pocketable rates. So we can say that these two becomes a difference out there. मतलब brand new और refurbished की प्राइस में difference होता है. You usually save up to 15%. And it can be more, but gives you a huge savings. As well as you get to have 6 months warranty. मतलब 6 months की वारंटी मिलती है refurbished में, whereas in brand new you usually get 1 year warranty. But once a phone has been pre-owned और अगर हम एक बार पहले एक को यूज कर चुका होता है तो usually it happens that you do not get any warranty period. But now you get to have 6 months warranty for the refurbished product. Apart from that, you get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy too. So you can say that this offers you a great advantage out there. You get to have really exciting advantage for this. Now, when we talk about this variant, let us go back to the site and check what all things we can see on the site. This is the site I'm talking about. We were talking about PhoneZone site, and it offers you the same specifications. 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, COD, free shipping out there, 100% original products out there. Everything can be seen out here. Now, when we talk about free shipping, as you have seen, there is free shipping out here, free home delivery. We can say that free shipping is like within 48 hours, most of the parts of UAE have their free home delivery at their doorsteps. You can have your products. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, in Saudi, it might take up to a week. But we can say that this offers you a great offering out here. So for bus pricing, do check out the website. And for more details, you can call on our helpline number or description has the link. You can directly go on the link and place your orders. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.